Welcome to Off-Road Travel TV.
There's been a lot of theories over the years on how to install these things. I've spent the last 20 years in the motorcycle industry, and I think I have the best way to install dirt bike grips. The first thing you want to do is make sure there's no oil or grease on the handlebars so you get a good grip adhesion. There's a lot of different variations of things that can be used in installing grips. What we found works best is a clear spray paint. Let me show you how we do it and how quick and easy it can be. First off, we spray a little bit of paint on the inside of the grip, and then we'll hit just a little bit on the outside of the bar, spraying away from the bar, the bike itself, and then we'll slip right on. Slide it on nice and steady, not too fast so you don't blow out the end of the grip, and as you see, it'll go right on. It'll dry pretty quickly, so you don't want to take too much time, but you still have plenty of time to be able, once you get it on there, to make sure that you get the grip in proper placement. On the throttle side, rather than remove the stock grip and leave behind the glue and the residue, I prefer to use an aftermarket throttle tube like this one made by Motion Pro. The easiest way to put on the throttle side grip is by first mounting the throttle tube into the throttle housing. Like a lot of people, I like to add safety wires, another layer of protection to keep the grip from slipping. I like to use this 32 thousandths brass safety wire for my installs. I like to use 3 different strands and double loop it. These are safety wire pliers, a great tool to have. When you pull the levers together, you then slide this piece down and that locks it into place. Once you have it locked into place, you can pull this little piece right here, will make it spin, tightening the safety wire. Now that the safety wire is nice and tight, we're going to cut off the tail and leave about a 1/4 inch. And the final piece is to push the excess safety wire into the grip. Make sure you bury it deep so it doesn't get snagged on your gloves while riding. You can do this by either pushing it sideways or back, but just make sure not to push it forwards, as it could come back up. Cleanliness and attention to detail is the key to installing grips. You follow these details and you're going to be good to go.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. See you on the trail.